Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Winnie the Pooh. So first we're going to start by drawing in the eyes. Coming over towards the right hand side, we're going to draw a nice big oval for our right eye. Let's flip over towards the left now, lining that up at the same height, and we'll just replicate that. In the corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. For the nose now, moving in towards the center, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. And then underneath this, we're going to connect this together with a small arch. In the center for the highlight, we're going to draw a sideways oval. Now let's draw in our mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in, and then we'll do the same thing over on the right. On the top, we're going to connect this with a curved line from left to right. And now in the center, we're going to draw a small arch line, bringing this down and then back up. And in the center for the tongue now, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. And now let's move up and draw in our eyebrows. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw a curved line, arching that down. And then moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. Starting in the corner here now, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that down, curving that back in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Let's draw in our head now. So first let's start with the cheek. So we're gonna come in towards the center of our eye. We're gonna step out towards the right. And we're gonna curve this line around and then in towards the center underneath our mouth. Let's flip over towards the left-hand side now, lining this up at the exact same height, and we'll replicate that. Let's move over towards the left-hand side now. For the top of the head, we're going to curve this up, flattening this out as we come in towards the top, bringing that in towards the center. Moving over towards the right hand side now, on our head, we're going to bring this line all the way up towards the top, bringing this all the way in and then connecting that on that line. Let's draw in our ears now. So on the top, on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the bottom of this, we're going to curve this line back up and in, connecting that together. We'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, so leaving an even amount of space. Let's curve this line around and then across. And then starting at the bottom, we're gonna curve this line back around and then in. Let's draw in the rest of the body. So moving in towards the center, on the left, we're gonna draw a curved line that arches down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side, bringing that up. On the right hand side now, we're gonna come across, curving this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. For our right arm now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And again, we'll replicate that on the left hand side. Moving further up, we're gonna curve this line around and then down to close off the shoulder on both sides. Moving further in, we're going to draw a small diagonal line that comes out for the top of the arm. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now starting at that point for the bottom of the hand, we're going to curve this line around and then up, connecting that together. In the center, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. And then dropping below that, we'll replicate that, connecting our hands together. Moving directly in the center now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches down in the center from left to right. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left, ending that at the same height. As we move further in towards the middle, on the left, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in and then down for our leg and our foot. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Moving further in for the top of the foot, we're going to curve this line across and then down. And again, we'll do the same thing over on the left. And then now let's close off the bottom of our foot by starting on the inside, curving this around and across. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Winnie the Pooh. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.